What's going on, guys? We're back again with another epic prank!
This is epic prank. This is our first prank. So when I ask for the prank them, so we're gonna actually finally
try
do
execute one, you know?
Yeah.
So you don't know, say TG and Shan and
J as I am
and
King Rennie.
you don't know the thing go. So we're gonna do some prank today.
So today we're gonna prank my mother. Basically Rennie, I go call her like pretend like I'm a man who my father owe some money, and basically want to see how she react to it and just see how we can like feed her for the energy and see where it can go.
See him there?
Is he ready for the
Alright,
so
I'll call out the number still. I can just show him the number.
Jeez.
No, you call out the number.
You know, see him.
Don't call it out.
Don't call out the number.
Don't call the number.
You can just dial.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, Gracie.
Everybody have a quiet.
Gracie?
Just say,
Gracie.
is this Mrs. Crump?
Yeah,
Mrs.
and the father named Tony.
No, man.
And then say Tony. Mrs. Crump. No, I saw them.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mrs. Crump.
Mrs. Crump.
I saw them say.
Tony today? No, man, I'm
No.
telling
You should have called and say, yo.
Don't say Tony today.
You should have called and say, yo, Tony. I'm telling yo. And then she have said, hi, this is not Tony. Probably should move so.
She go hang up the phone.
Oh, alright.
So just say, is this Miss? No parents.
Alright.
Is this Mrs. Crump? She just say.
So why you call my father number? My mother number you call?
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry, what that? Wrong number that.
Foolishness, Shanika.
Guys,
Watch that.
Yeah, so is this Mrs. Crump? She say yeah. And then you go just get irritated and say, I'm tired of trying. I can't reach you.
Me call your husband
and
and
call him
can't
phone
get
and
him.
can't get him. And you know for that. Tony.
Ready for Jody for video this? Cause this is a big history. Alright then. Ready? Mrs. Crump.
Yeah.
Lord God running for the last
Lock the door.
Not for that.
Not for that.
Hello, good day. Is this Mrs. Crump?
Yes.
You know, so me I try get your husband Tony from what there, cause I'm about 50 grand, you know. And me I try call and I not get no answer. Ricky. Yeah. Cause him owe me money. Yeah. Him owe me 50 grand for deal with something. Cause buy from me and I know I can't get my money. A good while now, I there away pants, you know. And from in January, the man take me 50 grand and I know I can't get it, you know. And me I try call him not answer my phone. Him not answer my call him. I get a number, I say me have to talk to you because I don't know what to do no more because all me I call him not answer.
Okay.
I don't know what to do how this all go now because my 50 grand because I say I not working now. I not working now. I say, hey, let me tell you something, man. I don't want to get serious and make nothing for go on. You understand me I say? Because it's a serious thing, you know. You see me I say? Hey, listen me now, man. Yo. And you see your daughter, my sister is a white little car she drive now. Because when I come the other, I pre out, you know. It's a white little car, my sister your daughter drive, you know. When them Suzuki something there, you know. And I don't want to make nothing go on, you know. You understand me I say? Because I pre out what go on, okay. If I not get, hey, listen me, see if I not get the money, remember if I don't get the money, something I got dangerous I got happen. You understand me I say?
Yeah, but when it's a Ricky, I don't know which Ricky I can.
You no worry, but him not tell you say borrow money from Ricky. Or am I gonna tell you say borrow money from Ricky and Ricky? Listen, man, just tell Tony say for make Ricky get him thing.
Okay.
By later, because remember I tell you, I know what kind of car your daughter drive. I know what she go at daytime. I know her license plate. I know everything. You understand me? I say. I know about little umbrella she you to the lock so she a par with. I know about him. I know about him too.
But can you be sending these kind of threats? I don't know which Ricky you're talking about. You know?
You're not gonna know. So how you gonna know if him a borrow money? I'm not gonna tell you that. Because I'm do it behind your back, you know. So you don't know, don't it?
I don't know anything.
Alright then, so I forgot.
And my daughter is innocent. If you are to do anything against her, that would be wrong.
Well, so all my money I go tell me.
No, you already say it to me, so I can say it to him. Find out from him what is happening.
So hold on there. You can pay me?
No, I never say I'm going to pay. I'm saying I'm going to find out from him what is happening.
So all the money I go by later?
When you mean, when it's a later, when you mean?
Because later, from January, I owe the money, you know. Make him.
Hello?
You just make him call him. Make him call me by later.
Just make him call me by later. Cool? Just make him call me later. Tell me for short back, Ricky. Alright? Alright then. Take care of yourself, mommy.
Jesus Christ, I feel so bad. No, I feel really bad.
Yeah. And you decide to do this to her. I'ma tell you, say you're not to do this to her. You're wicked.
I feel really
Yo,
bad.
send her a message and say it was just a prank. Them girl are wicked. Them. One of you can get that clip in a video. Them. Shanika call her mama.
I feel so bad.
You got dead.
It's when him get deep.
Bad boy Ricky.
Hello?
Mommy,
Yeah.
somebody call you?
Yes.
Is a prank here?
Is that prank?
Yes, it's a
I
prank.
think there's a prank. Yeah, because guess what? I was about to call a colleague friend that I have and she sent the number.
Jesus, I feel so bad. But him just take it so serious.
Listen to me, Shani. Don't make nobody play those pranks with us. We have police friends in United. Okay?
Mommy, it's just a game. It's a prank.
Yes. But the
Me never gonna take it serious.
what I'm saying.
May I hear you?
President for the Police Federation is a friend of mine.
Okay.
And I was giving the number.
Alright. It's just a prank. It's just a prank.
I gave Adam somebody number already and her number with a massive on the first. No more to do these kind of things.
Alright.
Wicked man, wicked. Oh, go on, brother. They are no brother.
I'm just trying to get some conversation. I have something for us.
No, she's still.
Yeah, I should just calm, but I know that she a boy like same time, you know. Come know her. So guys, I don't know. That one clearly is a success. But I feel really bad. I don't think the prank thing are for me. I feel bad. I feel real bad.
Guys, I wasn't a part of this cause honestly,
are you a video?
me not like that. No, I was held up by gunpoint by Ricky.
Hold you up.
Wicked man, Ricky. Go on, brother.
Ricky, you need.
Yes, sir.
Who next come? My mother. Anybody have international ministry?